let's start doing the next problem. That would be your, here we need to show that sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A plus sin A minus cos A by sin A plus cos A would be equal to, first we need to show this result and we need to show this result, means we need to prove two results, but of course those two are almost similar. Okay, first let us start the problem. Here this is your LHS part and you need to prove this is one RHS and this is one RHS, means two RHS parts we need to prove here. First let us take LHS part and start doing the problem. See here, LHS, that is what, sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A plus sin A minus cos A by sin A plus cos A. See here, I am telling you guys that don't be panic after seeing their lengthy problem. It looks very lengthy, but it's a dummy model. Why? Because there is nothing in that. Whenever you have given, see, you can observe that here almost all the terms of numerators and denominators in both the fractions are almost they are in sin and cos only. But only the thing is, if you observe, here sin A plus cos A is given and here also same term is given, and here sin A minus cos A is given, here same term is given. It's like a, see, when you, it's an advantage for you when the things are given in that way, means here A by B, this is B by A, in that format it is given, right? So whatever is given, it doesn't matter, you need to take LCM. Take LCM to do this problem. What you need to do for taking LCM, we need to multiply these two and we need to multiply these two and we need to multiply these two in denominator part, that's it. So do it. Okay, what we have to do, sin A plus cos A into sin A plus cos A, that means sin A plus cos A is multiplied twice, no, so we can put square, plus sin A minus cos A and sin A minus cos A multiplied two times. Two times means sin A minus cos A into sin A minus cos A, not with the 2. Okay, sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A, multiply means it also will be squared. Squared by, okay, by sin A minus cos A into sin A plus cos A. So again this, so like this we obtained. Okay, anyways, just see here, I just want to simplify this into, I just want to simplify this further. If you want to open up this and you want to draw, I mean if you want to expand this and expand this, if you want to do this problem, that's okay. But I'm telling you that one simple method, okay, A plus B whole square equal to what? A square plus 2AB plus B square, right? Now A minus B whole square, what is that? A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay. Now if you want to add these two results, then what happens? A plus B whole square, sorry, A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. Now 2AB terms are cancelled over here. Now 2A square, right? Plus B square and B square added together, 2B square. AB terms are cancelled, 2AB terms. Is it, now tell me here, if you put A equal to, see, if you put A equal to sin A and B equal to sin B, is it not looking like this? Now numerator part is, this is A plus B whole square and this is A minus B whole square. A plus B whole square, see, I am telling you, just focus. This is A plus B whole square. This is A minus B whole square. Now do we need to expand the entire term? No, we don't need to expand this. Simply what can we do here? 2A square plus 2B square or not? Simple thing. A plus B whole square, if you put A equal to sin A and B equal to sin B, sin A, B equal to not sin B, cos A. I am so sorry, cos A. Okay, if you put A equal to sin A and B equal to cos A, just for a moment change this. A equal to sin A and B equal to cos A if you put, then what happens? Yeah, I mean this is A plus B and this is A minus B, isn't it? Simple. So this is A equal to sin A and B equal to cos A. Then this is A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. Then how can we write this? Simply 2A square plus 2B square or not? Don't need to expand all this. Don't need to expand all this. Think smart. Okay. So 2A square. What is that 2A square? A is sin A. That is 2 sin square A, right? Plus 2B square. 2B square means 2 cos square A. By sin A minus cos A into sin A plus cos A. Means A plus B into A minus B. That would be A square minus B square, right? So sin square A minus cos square A, right? This is up to now. Just see, take common 2 from numerator part. That would be your sin square A plus cos square A by sin square A minus cos square A, right? So like this we can write or not? Anyhow, from your basic identities of trigonometries, sin square A plus cos square A would be how much? 1 or not? Yes, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. We can place here 1, 2 into 1 by sin square A minus cos square A. That would be how much? 2 by sin square A minus cos square A. I think we obtained the first result. This is first RHS, so we got it. Now we have to obtain second RHS, means second result also we need to obtain from this. Just modify this. Here you can observe that 2 by 2 sin square A minus 1 we have to show. That means answer should be there in sin terms. So we need to remove here cos term. Convert cos into sin. How do we convert that? Simple. Again we take see here, sin square A. Take the identities. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to how much? 1, no? Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So therefore, if you take this sin square A to another side, that becomes minus or not? So cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A. So therefore, put this 1 minus sin square A in place of cos square A here. So then what happens? 2 by sin square A minus of cos square A can be written as what? 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A. Now the entire expression will be converted into whole sin terms. Okay, now what happens? That is 2 by sin square A minus into plus minus 1 minus into minus plus sin square A. Now what happens? 2 by okay 2 by here sin square A and sin square A added together to get us 2 sin square A, here minus 1. Now tell me, we obtained second answer also or not? Simple. So here we took our LHS and we got our RHS. Okay, I mean RHS we need to get 2 answers. Okay, just by modifying this answer into sin terms we are getting this answer. Understood? It's the simplest problem. We can do like this. Only the thing here, somehow you need to think that either you can expand. In this problem, this complicated thing is you need to expand this and you need to expand this. Instead of expanding, I am telling you that consider A as sin A and B as cos A. Then this is in the form of A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square. That would be how much? 2A square plus 2B square. So that means what? 2 sin square A plus 2 cos square A, taking 2 common after everything. After that everything is so simple for you to solve. Okay. So I think you guys might have enjoyed this problem also, right? Try to understand the concept and try to apply the formula in right place and right time. You will get the answers. It's a simple thing, right? Anyways, in our next session I will come up with another difficult models of the trigonometric identities, and for this session, bye bye.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe. subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.